continue. Okay, where we are. So we're writing the code here, right? So click on JavaScript alerts. It went here. And then I have to wait for this URL. I'll write that wait. So every time. So wait dot until expected conditions. Dot.
Partial URL contains.
URL content. Just give that.
This one.
So next one is you have to get this this heading. So get this heading and accept. I'm going to accept it. So how to write a XPath for this or CSS select whatever you want. So div and div class, div dot class greater than H3, you can write it. Okay, so like that you can, or otherwise you can just copy from here also. Copy CSS selector. Okay, so I'm going to get this and accept it. So string JS header text equal to driver dot find element. So by dot CSS selector. This one. So, okay, so I need, what is missing here? Can somebody tell?
Get text.
So assertions dot assert equals. So I'm asserting. So I'm getting the text from the web page and I'm asserting that. So I will assert this is the one I'm expecting. That's it. So that's before each. I don't want to do any more extra there. So after each, I'll just navigate back. Okay. So I'll navigate. So back. Driver dot navigate dot back. Okay. How can you go? So driver dot navigate method dot back. It will take to the back. But what is my first test case? Test simple alert. So test simple alert. I'm going to test it. So testing simple alert. Testing simple alert. So let's see how to test a simple alert. So what do I need to do? So I need to click on this element. So just take this element text. So write XPath, okay? Click on button. So driver dot find element. So by dot XPath. By dot XPath. So you take the XPath, write that. So button tag, square bracket, text function. That's the one. So if you want, go and check that. Dot click method. So you clicked on that. So once you click, immediately you will get alert. So switch to the alert dialog. So alert alt equal to driver dot.
Switch
to
not alert.
That's it. So alert import from arg.openqr.selenium package. Next. So you can write. So get the text, alert text. The dialog text is so alt dot get text. So we want to close the alert. So alt dot accept. That's it. So then, so you're getting this. So once you click on this, you're getting this result, right? You need to get this result. How can you get this result? So there is a ID result. So how can you get the result? But here, this is a common for all three methods, three test methods I'm going to write. I'll write a simple method here. So your message you can give. So simple private static void verify result. Okay. So string message, you give your message. Okay. So what message you want to verify? So I'm going to write, I'm going to get the, okay, I'm going to get the, so text and I'm going to verify that. Okay. I'm going to verify that. So first get the text. So string result val equal to driver dot find element by dot id. So get the id value dot get text.
Sir, there is no space.
Okay. So I got it. Then I can just assert it. I'll assert it. Assertions dot assert equals. So your result and the message, what message you are passing here. That's it. So you just call this method and give a parameterized method here. What is the message you are expecting? That message you can pass it here. So what is the message you are expecting? This is the message. Let's give it there. That's it. So that's a simple alert handling. Next. Second test case. Test confirmation alert. Test confirmation alert. You need to test the confirmation. So what you need to do? You have to test confirmation alert. You write. So that one, you click on this. And so I click on confirmation alert dialog box. And here I'll just change it to CN.
Confirmation.
So confirmation message, if you want, you can get confirmation.
Yeah.
Confirmation alert dialog box text. So you click OK. Click OK. Confirmation dialog. So you have to give here
Confirmation.cn.
accept. So now see what is the accept. So you click OK. You get this message. So I'm verifying this. See, every time I don't need to write 2 lines and single line, I'm finishing everything. That's how optimization is very important. Wherever you can reduce the number of lines, you reduce it. So that will help you. Okay. So next, so you again, I'm going to click this. I'm going to click cancel. So I have to write that code. Same code. Now I'll click one more time. So click the. So again, click it. I'm going to switch to that. Then I'm going to click cancel. Cancel button in confirmation dialog. So just write here. What is the method? Dismiss. So, but you have to use CNF1. Okay, CNF1. So you have a. You click cancel. That's it.
86th line also you have to CF1, right? Okay.
Sorry.
86th line.
Okay. So this one you don't need. That's enough. Okay.
Okay.
You don't need it all that one. Already you got it.
Okay.
So that's the one. So next test method. So test prompt dialog alert. Prompt dialog. Okay. You need to test the prompt. So first, you have to. So click on the prompt dialog. Just click on the prompt. So can you mute? See if you're not talking, please mute. Okay, so it won't disturb others. So here I need to switch to the prompt dialog. How can you switch? Just change this. Some reference variable you change. Prompt alert dialog box. So prompt dot get it, but I want to type, right? So I want to type something. So type the value in edit box. So here I'm pt dot send keys. So selenium. So after that, you have to verify the message. What message? So you just type. So we entered selenium. Again, I'm going to click one more time. So click for JS. And then, so then second time you type, but don't. So accept it. WebDriver. So this time you do that something, cancel. So you'll get this message. We need to verify that result. So these are the simple test cases. 3 test methods I have written. Okay, 3 test methods, Control A, Control Shift, format. So once how the code is formatted. See, test 1, test 2, test 3, 3 test methods, but you have only, so after each, before each, before all, after all, I didn't write anything. What I need to write? Close the browser.
So
I'll say if driver is not null, then I'm saying driver dot quit it. That's it. Okay. Any questions?
No.
no, sir.
Okay, so let's run this program. Run as JUnit test you have to run. I didn't launch. Oh, it's done. Very fast. Did anybody observe that?
Yes, sir.
So these are the test cases, all 3 are passed. So if any failure comes, you will see failure trace here. So you can see here runs 3 by 3, error 0, failure 0. So you will get a report like this. Before in the main method, you won't get anything, right? Like this, you won't get a report. So this is the advantage, you are getting a report here.
What can you show can we see the reports?
There is no, that's it. There is no extra report you have. This is the only.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If you want to see the report, you have to go for a test engine. We will go for test engine. Okay.
Okay.
Test engine anyhow. Where so test engine will see nice reports. But
Okay.
this JUnit has limitations. It doesn't have much. Yeah.
Can you run this 1 second?
Yeah. Just right click, run as JUnit. You have to use run as JUnit test. See, very, very fast.
Yeah.
That much. Okay, so next one is, let me explain how to handle frames. So we'll complete the theory, then we'll go program tomorrow, we'll write the program. How to handle frames. There are 2 types of frames, internal frames, normal frames. So internal frames are represented by iframe tag in HTML. Normal frames are represented in HTML by frame tag. So these are the two things we have. And so where is our code? Yeah, you have to go to labels again. So this blog archive. Under blog archive, where you can see the alerts, there you can see the how to handle frames. So as I mentioned, you can switch to the frames. I already covered this in the switch to method time. So how can you switch to the normal frames? Driver dot, switch to method dot, frame of. You can give frame locator in string format. So you can switch based on the position of the frame also. Driver dot, switch to method dot, frame of int index. So internal frames are represented in HTML by iframe tag. So first you have to identify the iframe element. So like this, web element, iframe element equal to driver dot find element by dot locator value. Then switch to this internal frame element. So driver dot switch to method dot frame of pass this web element. So it will switch to that web element. So how can you switch back from frame to normal original position? So driver dot switch to method dot default content. Then driver dot or driver dot navigate dot back. So how do you know number of frames in the web page? List web element frames list equal to driver dot find elements by dot tag name frame or iframe tag you give, it will switch to that, and it will fetch all the frames count list here. So then frames collection dot size method, you get it all the frames count. And if the frame is not available, you are still using that, then you will get a no such frame exception. Okay, and these are the reusable methods I have developed. You can use these reusable methods wherever you want. Okay, so all the methods I have written here, you can just go through the same code. So same code I have written. That's one thing. And one more, let me cover the how to handle the pop-ups. How to handle pop-ups. So pop-ups are tabs like this, multiple tabs are open, multiple windows are open. How can you handle that? Already code is given for you in the beginning classes. How can you fetch all window IDs?
Get window handles.
Window handles.
Get window.
Get window handles.
So what is the syntax?
Driver dot get window handle.
List.
No,
Okay.
that's not the syntax.
Okay, collection.
Hmm?
In the collections list.
List web.
Hmm? Gayatri, what is the syntax of get window handle and get window handles? Nikita?
Set
Hmm.
data type handles equal to driver dot get window handles.
Would be here set string handles is equal to driver dot get window handles method.
What, Nikita, after some time you are reacting? Okay, fine. So Gayatri never speaks. That's fine. Next time onwards, I'll eliminate Gayatri from the class if you are not responding. Simply, I'll remove from the no. You cannot join again if I remove once. So please respond. Okay. Even if you don't know, so I'm not sure. You have to say something. If you're silent, I won't accept it. I already told that, and you are continuing the same thing. So next time if it repeats, I'll remove from the class. Just say some answer, okay? Nothing happens here. Okay. And so this is the one how to handle pop-ups or tabs or new windows. So this is the one. When you click something, you will get a pop-ups. Okay. Or pop-ups or a new window will open. Because this is the one window. Another window is opening. Or another window opened. Or you open multiple tabs like this. Or you want to go to this your store window tab. How can you go? Because you are in the Selenium Ramesh Ki automation Selenium page. But how can you go switch to this window? Or how can you switch to this window? So that's the switching between multiple windows. We have a nice code here. So first fetch all the window IDs at the first day class method. Still you are not answering means what should I do? This is bad, right? Already 2 weeks over. And you're not following my instructions. Every day I ask you to read and you're not following that. That's why you're forgetting. Set string handles equal to driver dot get window handles. And so you can iterate this collection because you got all the window IDs in this collection. Now you iterate them by using iterator interface. So iterator it equal to handles dot iterator method. So fetch the main window ID. So first fetching, because here always first place the parent ID will be there. Second place, first child window, then second child window, then third child window, like that. So the order it will store. That's this set collection. Because set is not ordered collection, right? How you're saying. So there is a linked set, right? That will store in the order. Now, first I'm fetching this it dot next method will give the parent ID. And fetching I'm getting because these are all window IDs are there, but I don't know which window ID. First I'm fetching the parent window, then I'm fetching the child window. So it dot next, second iteration, second child window I'll get. Here second position, child window. So I know the parent, I know the child window. So now I can switch to the which window I want to go. So how to switch to the different windows? We have a method driver dot switch to method dot window of. You just pass the window ID. So driver dot switch to method dot window of. You give the child window because you are already in the parent. You want to go to which window? That window ID you pass it here. Then perform the actions on the child window. With this line, your cursor is going to, for example, I want to go to your store. It will be here. It will come here with that line of code, driver dot switch to method dot window of the window ID, your store window ID figure, it will come to your store window ID. Not here, it won't be here. It will come here, your cursor will be here. Even if you're still here, you're doing action in this space, Selenium cannot recognize because your cursor is looking here in this window. Okay, so that's the main. And once you complete this, finish the actions, what are the actions you want to do on the child window, then close the child window using driver dot close method. Because the driver dot close, what it will do?
Close all the tabs, all the.
No, close current.
Close the child window only.
So where your cursor is there, that window only will close. Close won't close all the windows, madam. Close will close only current window where you are. That window, one window only it will close. Driver dot quit will quit all the associated windows. Then you have to switch back the cursor to the parent window. So that is driver dot switch to method dot window. And you know a parent window, you want to go to parent window. From child, you want to go to parent and it will come to parent window. So this is the how to switch between the windows, how to extract all the window IDs. See, this is the first day class method I am using it here again. And also even this one also, second day we discussed this, driver dot switch to method dot window of window ID. So everything covered already. So that's the how to handle windows and multiple windows You can see here, multiple windows, how to handle also, I have given the code here. So multiple five windows if you want to handle. This is the scenarios, real-time scenarios they asked that I have written a code. Just go through here, same code. There is nothing new here. Okay. So that's all about this, how to handle windows, how to handle frames, how to handle alerts. Tomorrow we'll write the code for both frames and windows. Then we can close this JUnit. So even you can practice more on different scenarios and write the programs in JUnit format. That really helps you. So I'll give one scenario. Please write that and send it to me in the mail. My mail, you send to my mail. Okay. If you're not sending, tomorrow I won't allow you in the class. I'm sure. Okay.